Hello, everyone, and welcome to Cube Capital TV. If you're an entrepreneur, small business owner, startup founder, or simply someone who wants to improve their financial knowledge, you're in the right place. Every day, business owners are faced with important decisions that affect their growth, profitability, and long-term success. Unfortunately, many people are trying to navigate those decisions without access to the right information. That's exactly why we created Cube Capital TV. Our mission is simple: to provide practical business and financial education that helps entrepreneurs make informed decisions and build stronger businesses. On this channel, we'll cover topics such as business funding strategies, building business credit, financial literacy and money management, access to capital opportunities, entrepreneur success stories, business growth and scaling strategies. Whether you're just starting your business or looking to take your company to the next level, our goal is to provide actionable insights you can use immediately. Knowledge is one of the most valuable investments you can make in yourself and your business. The more you understand about finance, funding, and business operations, the better positioned you'll be for success. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to Cube Capital TV, turn on notifications, and join our growing community of entrepreneurs and business leaders. And before you go, leave a comment below and let us know what business or finance topic you'd like us to cover in an upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Cube Capital TV.